Another long day in the rush of the street, tired eyes in the rhythm of the concrete beat. I am carrying the weight of the city below, looking for a place where the time moves slow, winding up the road through the shadows of green, leaving all the noise and the word in between. Finally, I am here at the edge of the height, breathing in the cool of the Phuket night. I see the red and white lines like a river of dreams. Nothing is as heavy as it usually seems. The town is a carpet of shimmering gold, a million stories waiting to be told. KHAO RUNG, my heart is beating again. KHAO RUNG, washing away the pain. Looking at the city, the life we all made, the beauty of the hustle that will never fade. My island, my home in a golden glow. Thank you for the energy to let it go. And the neon signs, a beautiful chaos and perfect designs. Thank you to the hands that built this land, every single life making something grand. I came here empty, but I am leaving full, escaping the pressure and the daily pull, recharging my soul with the view from above, watching the city with a heart